So we're heading over to Technica Racewire to help out Justin with his new project, which is also going to be a K24 turbo swapped Porsche 911. Let's not get copyright pinged for that one. So yeah, we're just going to drive down there. It's about 45-50 minutes. Hopefully get there around 10 o'clock, and then we'll just get straight into it. I can't believe how much haze there is today. It's pretty wild. So I just pulled up. I'm going to be pretty awkward. I'm going to get Justin on the mic and see how that goes. So we will get in there now. There's some very nice BMWs parked up, so I'm in the right place. All right, here with Justin. We're going to get straight into his Porsche build. We got a K24 that we're going to disassemble, and after that, let's see where we end up.
Super excited to have him here. Yeah. Dude, super excited.
Oh yeah. Easy money. So K24A2 from the same company that I got mine from, JDM West here in California. And then that's the Porsche it's gonna end up in. So we're gonna get disassembling this. We'll take the intake manifold off first, power steering, water pump situation, and then the exhaust header. Take off the valve cover, make sure we've got all clean valves, and then we're all good.
This block looks way cleaner. Sorry,
Oh yeah, super clean. So we got the water pump off, the intake manifold off. We're gonna move around to the end now and take the heater valve stuff off, and then remove the starter, take the valve cover off and inspect that. That is the K24A2, all stripped down. We're actually going to steal the exhaust manifold for mine, throw that on so that it's not extremely loud. It'll still be loud, but we're good there. And then that kind of leaves us with this. We did it.
Love you, man.
Don't stress. I got you. That's what it's all about. So we just left helping out Justin. Super happy with the progress there. I got a decent chunk of it captured, but we're just driving now. I got about an hour and a half drive home, which is fine. It is what it is. But basically, we stole some stuff, I guess. I grabbed the exhaust manifold, the factory exhaust manifold off of the K24A2 that we just disassembled. So we're going to put that onto mine so that we can at least get something installed there. It's freaking loud when I start up mine, so I don't want to do that anymore. Now that the water system is going to get done, I want to make sure that we can actually indeed start up the engine, get it up to temperature, and not annoy all of the neighbors. It's still going to be loud, but we're a lot quieter. Yeah, this is what the 405 is known for. So we are deep in bumper-to-bumper traffic now. So yeah, I figured I'd probably use this opportunity as traffic is quite deep in the red right now. But ultimately, I just wanted to give a massive shout out to Justin, letting me come down and help tear apart a K24 that's going into another 911. Such an awesome opportunity, and I can't wait to see what he does with it. Like, yeah, I think we're gonna have two very, very cool cars that we can cruise around in Southern California, go to events, all that kind of good stuff. I just wanted to give another massive shout out to the guys at Technica Racewire, letting us use that space and hopefully working together at some point. I think that's gonna be really awesome to do as well. In other news, we hit 1,000 subscribers. That's huge. However, only like 50 of you have that notification bell on. So please turn notifications on. You'll get a notification when this video drops or when the next video drops, which will hopefully be a very awesome one. And yeah, I just turn those notifications on. Comment, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. I know it's not great to ask, but honestly, it's better to ask than to not. And here we are. So I'm going to get some more time lapses of this traffic, and then we're going to basically end the video here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this, and I'll see you in the next video.